Alrighty guys, welcome to Ultra Habit. This is our challenge one for week one. It is titled Setting Our Standards. Okay, right now guys, a lot of the time we're going to have things we're saying, I should do this, I should do that, I should work out basically 2 days a week, 3 days a week, I should be eating less fast food. What we're going to do in our first week guys is we're going to basically change these shoulds into a must. Okay, we're going to make a commitment within ourselves and make these things a non-negotiable. Okay, we've sent you guys through as well, so we've sent you guys through the Nutrition Startup Questionnaire. That allows your mentor to assess your previous month and know exactly where you're coming from. With your mentor in person, you guys are going to basically assess exactly what's realistic for you as your starting goals, okay? So this looks a little something like this here. So this is a bit of an example as well of a starting client. So basically, we have the 10 success habits we're going to track every single week with you guys. Ultra Habit is becoming very, very strong and independent in these basically core principles for habits. We've got healthy eating days, training days, food rest, drink rest, alcohol, water, breakfast, steps, sleep, and overall how we feel from week to week. Okay, so right now you may look like the left side over here in the red where we're not having any successful healthy eating days, we're not training at all. We've got 10 plus rares a week. We've got 10 plus drink rares a week and alcohol as well. We're not drinking water, we're not having breakfast, we're not doing any steps, or we're not sleeping very well. And as a result of all that, we basically feel horrible. So what we're going to do is we're going to review where you were starting off, so your current week, current month, and we're going to set goals for where you want to be over the next basically 2 to 3 weeks, okay? This here as well, so every week you and your mentor will review this to know exactly are we hitting the habits that's required to see a transformation, okay? These 10 habits here, guys, if you nail these 10 habits, you're going to see a drastic improvement with your energy, with obviously your overall physique, so you're going to have a transformation, and just mentally you're going to feel 100% better as well, okay? Very, very important. So once we have this, guys, we're going to make sure this is realistic for you as well. So we're not going to start you off on 7 days, obviously healthy eating days, unless it's realistic for you. We'll find out together what a realistic change is. And you guys are always better off. We always say, instead of going from 0% to 100%, we're better off just tightening the dial week after week after week, because if we do that, it's going to be sustainable changes, okay? We don't expect you guys to go cold turkey with alcohol or fast food straight off the bat, because if it's a quick fix, it's going to be a quick break. We work with you to change those habits over time and almost have it happen as if you don't even realize that it's actually happening, okay? And that sort of long, obviously, duration change makes it more lifelong, okay? Here is as well, sweet. So looking at this here as well, so the same habits here, the same habits that obviously got myself and Crystal and our clients onto stage to that sort of extent, it's the exact same habits, it's just a different standard, okay? So if you guys want to get obviously to that sort of point, it's the exact same habits we have to master, it's just obviously a higher notch up, okay? Very, very excited, guys. You're going to speak with your mentor. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself, your habit coach, or your mentor in that as well, because we're here to make sure you guys are going to obviously have the best time ever on this journey for this year. Okay, I'll catch you guys.